Hi, my name is Christina Crowe. I'm a registered psychotherapist, a clinical supervisor, and I am a member on the advocacy committee at CADRA, the Canadian ADHD Resource Alliance. As a member of the OAMHP, I was eager to have the opportunity to create this workshop to provide the knowledge of everything that I've learned in the most rough and tumble way over the last 7 years about what ADHD is and why psychotherapists in the community need to know about it. So in this workshop, we're going to go through what it is, how it presents across the lifespan, why 80 to 90% of adults who have it are undiagnosed and have no idea, how comorbidities confound it, and where it's hiding in your private practice. I'm going to talk about the neurobiology of ADHD. We're going to talk about how pharmacological interventions help, what make them different from the medicines used to treat depression and anxiety. And we're going to talk about all the non-pharmacological interventions as well, the psychosocial corner where we all firmly live in. I'm also going to talk about how you adapt psychotherapy for an ADHD-brained person. And there's some slight differences based on whether they're on medication or not, their goals, and how it's presenting in them and the particular symptoms in their life. I'm also going to talk about the components of executive dysfunction. I don't know about you, but I didn't learn about executive dysfunction in grad school. But maybe that's because I have ADHD and I wasn't paying attention that day. So I hope you join me. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to do some assessments. We're going to run through real client cases. We might even hear from a client themselves. So it should prove to be quite an engaging workshop. I'm really excited that you're interested and that you're along for this journey. And I really look forward to seeing you in September. Thank you.